Oh. Good morning, everyone. Today is embarkation day for the MV World Odyssey. I get on the ship at 10 a.m. and it's like 9:30 right now. I'm gonna go down there, try to take a couple of pictures early before I go into the terminal. Here's the view from my hotel room. There it is, right there. So yeah, super exciting. I have everything ready to go, hopefully. And it's a little bit chillier today than I thought it was gonna be because it has a chance of rain. Okay, here's all of my luggage. This is my backpack that has all of my important documents, my passport, prescriptions. Let's go. We just arrived and I'm taking some pictures here before I get on the ship. But new logo.
I've been thinking about good times, so tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try, for the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking about, don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic.
Oh my gosh, okay. Let's try this. Okay, I'm about to walk in my room for the first time. I'm gonna record my reaction. Yes. Oh, my key's in the door, hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's 2 seats in here. I guess I just didn't notice that ever. Okay, I'm switching over to my camera now so that it's better quality. I'm pretty sure that turns on. Maybe that doesn't turn. Is this a light? I don't know if that's a light, so I'm gonna do a cabin tour before it gets very messy in here. Here's the hallway we first walk in, our closets. We are in an outside double. And I don't know which bed I'm gonna choose yet. My roommate's not here yet. And then we have a little desk area. Also, my name tag says, let me just show y'all. My name tag says University of Oklahoma. If you know, you know, I transferred to Texas Tech, so. Then we have a little seating area over here. This is my view right now in Amsterdam. And here's our TV. I don't recognize any of those babies. Bathroom mirror. And then our bathroom. And here we have our fridge. I've never seen these. I didn't even know that was a thing. Okay, first, I am just gonna kind of start to put some stuff away just because I know it's gonna be chaos in here whenever my roommates get here. Roommate.
Evening Voyagers, may I have your attention,
First
please?
message.
I wanted to update you that lunch will be available beginning at 11:30 in the Lido restaurant. Again,
hungry.
lunch will be available starting at 11:30 in the Lido and the Berlin restaurant. Thank you.
Okay, I thought I was gonna be going to Lido first. So now I'm gonna have to choose Berlin or Lido first. All right, we've made some progress. Most of it is in my closet right now. Okay, on to the second part of this bag. We're gonna start with toiletries. Okay, I am gonna open up my hangers that I got. They're these like travel hangers, so I can hang up more clothes. It came with a lot, but I need more. We had 13 each, so this came with a good amount. gosh, I'm glad I brought these. Okay, everyone, we are at Berlin. This is my roommate. Hi. Madison. Wait, what do you even like to be called?
Madison.
Madison?
I get everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Had our first meal in Berlin. I just got some pasta, little vegetable mix, and some bread. And I think now we're just gonna go take a look around the ship and get acquainted because it's really big and I don't wanna get lost. So pretty. Oh my gosh. This is never gonna get old.
No, it's not.
Oh wait, is this a mirror? Oh no. Here's the pool area and it's sprinkling out right now. So pretty.
Playing in the sand till it turned to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say.
Update, we have pretty much finished our room. I only have a couple of things left in my personal item, my travel backpack, but I'm gonna get those out later. So this is what we're looking like. This is my bed. I have my squishmallow, and then we're not supposed to have 2 chairs, so hopefully we can get that one taken out because it's just a lot of wasted space. And then we're about to have our life jacket drill, so got those on display. That's my bag for school that I'm gonna take, and then a couple electronic things. Medicine's down there, and then all that is clean right now. I don't think it'll stay that way, but yeah, it looks good. And then in our closets, this is one that we're sharing. We have jackets down here. Then this is my closet. Filled it all up. We hung up purses, and then filled up the bathroom. Okay, so we have to wear a hat for the life jacket drill, but I don't have one.
I have one.
So we're doing this with a jacket.
Oh,
So yeah, this is my makeshift hat.
and then we gotta put these ugly things on.
Yay.
See how this
They're
works.
huge,
I don't
like
really know how to.
stop.
Stop!
I cannot go out there like this. I can't go out there like this.
So bad.
Oh my god, how many?
Here's the one. I'm like, I don't know if they can see my arch. I can't move back at all.
Attention, please.
Yes, sir.
At 1700 hours this evening, a master drill for all passengers will take place.
Good morning.
Oh,
That was so loud. I know. Gosh.
finally.
Almost missed it.
I know we did. We almost missed it. I threw up.
It's okay. This is where I have one of my classes, and it's super pretty. I really like it in here. And there's a piano in here, so cute. And I'll show y'all how fast we're going. Looks pretty slow, but we're getting there. Little update for everyone. I'm back in my room. It's like 5 o'clock right now, or 1700. I think the last thing y'all saw was us taking off from the port. So that was at 8 a.m. this morning, and then yeah, we've had meetings literally all day till right now. So we're pretty much done with the meetings. I have one more for the student assistants, so I'll be meeting with the comm team in a little bit, and then after that there's an activities fair where people can like pitch their clubs, and then you can join whichever ones you want, sign up for them. So this is what we're looking like. no seasickness or anything, so that's good. Did put on one sea band just in case, because this morning when we first like got into the actual ocean, it was like a little weird adjusting to. So I just took one in case. I feel like it's pretty rocky towards like the front of the ship, but my cabin's kind of in the middle towards the back, so that's good. And then we also got connected to the intranet to get like Sea Chat, Moodle, which is like our school page. And if you don't know, Sea Chat is like where you can direct message people, and then you have a bunch of other groups and stuff too to text them since you don't have Wi-Fi. Oh my god, that is so bright. Okay everyone, it is nighttime now and we're back in our room. We just made sticky notes to put on our door to let people know where we are. There it is, and there's mine. And I'm about to go to sleep. But this is the end of my ship move-in vlog slash embarkation. Hope y'all enjoyed. I will be posting lots of semester at sea content coming up, so subscribe for that, and I will see y'all on the next one.